pasa pasa, rumba rumba rumba, back together. Bebana bana bato abaya sekiye nkoko nawe sara jangu tugenda.
Hello mukwano gwange, ngansanyusa okukulaba nate weebale kusalawo era nojja tuyiga Oluganda leero ffembi. Nkwebaza. Olwaleero tugenda kuyiga engeri gy'osobola okugamba maama wo oba taata wo oba baganda bo oba mikwano gyo engeri gye weewuliramu. Today we are going to learn how you can tell your mother, your father, your sisters or your friends how you feel and what you are feeling. Engeri gye weewuliramu, how you feel. What you are feeling, engeri gye weewuliramu. Engeri gye weewuliramu, how you are feeling. Let's get started. We shall start with I am. I am feeling. You remember? I am feeling. That's how you start, right? I am indi. Indi. Very good. I am feeling neewuliranga. Neewuliranga. I am feeling neewuliranga or mpuliranga. Mpuliranga. Very good. So let's start. Let's start with I am feeling happy. Mpulira essanyu. Mpulira essanyu. And I am happy. Ndi musanyufu. Ndi musanyufu. Very good, my friend. And then the opposite of happy is sikuwulira. Mukwano gwange jjukira bwe tubeera wano mu class mbeera njagala owulire olabe ate era oyogere. Okay? Can you do that for me? Here in class you have to listen attentively, you have to see, and then you have to speak after me, right? Very good. Let's do that again. What is the opposite of happy? Very good. Sad. Okay, so what is sad in Luganda? I am sad. Ndi munakuwavu. Ndi munakuwavu. Yeah, put on your sad face. Ndi munakuwavu. Don't forget to put on your happy face. Ndi musanyufu. Ndi munakuwavu. Very good. I am feeling lonely or I'm lonely. Mpulira ekiwubaalo. Mpulira ekiwubaalo. That's a very, very strong word, isn't it? But slowly but sure you will learn it. Mpulira ekiwubaalo. Very good. When you feel like your neck is dry, you want some water, what do you say? I am feeling thirsty. In Luganda you say mpulira ennyonta. Mpulira ennyonta. Very good, my friend. And when you are hungry and you want to eat something, you say in English, I am hungry. In Luganda, enjala ennuma. Enjala ennuma. I am hungry. Enjala ennuma. Very good. I am tired. Nkoye. Nkoye. I am tired. Nkoye. So then we get to I am sleepy. I am sleepy. Don't be sleepy right now. We're in class. You will be sleepy later. I am sleepy. Are you sleepy? No, you're not. Not now. But in Luganda we say to I am sleepy. Mpulira otulo. Mpulira otulo. I feel sleepy. Mpulira otulo. Mpulira otulo. Mpulira otulo? Nedda. Mpulira otulo. I am feeling sleepy. I feel wonderful. Mpulira bulungi. I feel wonderful. mpulira bulungi, mpulira bulungi. Feel relaxed, ndi mukakamu, ndi mukakamu, ndi mukakamu, sikuwulira, ndi mukakamu. I feel excited, nesunze. I feel excited. You know those days, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days before your birthday? How do you feel? Do you feel excited? Yes, you feel excited because your friends are going to come, because sometimes you're going to get presents, right? So you feel excited because something is coming. Nesunze.